morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in cloudy France. It's a brand new day, and look who's coming. She knows that the camera is on. She's looking at it. You want to see them? Look! Hi! Look up there. Say cuckoo. Say hi. Tell them hi. You just want to touch things right now. You just want to touch things. You just want to explore. Look up there. Who's that pretty girl? 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 Say hi. Cuckoo. Morning. Mwah. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Papa.
Not Papa. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Nana? Who is this? Who is this? She called me Nana. Anyway, you guys, what's good? You guys see we all dressed. See us all dressed because we are heading out right now. We're going to the supermarket. Babe and Tyler is already on the road. Babe took Tyler to swim lessons this morning, so he's coming to pick me up to go to the supermarket. I wanted to go ahead at supermarket and for him to just pick me up, but Sarah was taking a nap, so I decided to wait until she finished nap and feed her lunch before we leave, so that when we come back we can have lunch. But I wanted to feed Sarah first. You're talking to the face? Yes! Shoes! Show them shoes. Show them your shoes. Shoes? Shoes? Anyway, you guys, I woke up this morning. It's vacation here for Tyler, so I did not need to bring Tyler to school this morning, but I woke up the same time I would normally wake up for school and got my workout in. Workout was really good this morning. It was really a vibe this morning. So that's that. If you guys don't follow me on my workout channel, go and subscribe to my workout channel. The link is down below if you're scrolling on this page, and it is in the description box, or you can just search Body After Baby and you'll find me on my workout channel. You want water? 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 Yummy! You guys, her hair is growing so much. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and hope you guys are doing well. My mama is back home in Texas and she's doing well. So thank God for that. A lot of people in Texas is really not doing well. I continue to send you guys love and strength while Sarah is here talking. Yes, what a big yarn. Little face. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to head out in 5 minutes because babe called me at 12 and says he'll be here in 15 minutes. So I gotta go put Sarah's jacket on, put her in the stroller so that we can head out right now. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. You guys will see babe and Tyler in a bit. So leg out.
No. I'm the judge for today.
You're the judge for today.
Yes. I have a special guest.
Who is this?
Two special guests. Mama, come in. Come in, Mama. And the next special guest, Papa. Come in, Papa. Mama, I'm back to say hello.
Yes, but I can't put down your sister, so Papa gonna have to
Papa.
control
What an
things.
excuse. That's
That
what I always do. No,
that's
you just have
snack
an
one
excuse.
for
You guys, we just got back from the supermarket hall and Sarah Sarah is very whiny. 1 is her nap time, and 2, I think those teeth is giving her a hard time today. So let's jump in the supermarket, huh? Real quick.
It was family supermarket day.
This
yeah.
bag first.
Oh, you want this bag?
The
Are
bag.
you gonna go
This
now?
is why you want this bag. What is that?
Not even 5 plus, you know what?
Alright, I'll get rid of
Why did
Sarah.
you take 2 bags? Why did you take 2 big bags of 12?
2.
Because you tell him to pick up 2.
Because my wife told him to pick up 2, so I
Yeah,
said,
but I
okay,
didn't tell him to pick up a bag of 12. 2.
No, you show me the bag.
Oh,
Anyway,
no.
guys,
Double game.
if you want-
Double game.
if you want a happy life, just say to your wife, okay, you're right. Even if you don't mean it, just say, okay, you're right. Just let her win. That will never finish otherwise. So you just have to say, okay,
Papa?
you're right. Try to hold on and learn. You just say, you're right. Let's move on to something that you never win. And she wind up and she all of these things. So, yeah. And she happy. Look, she's right. She's happy.
Happy life, happy life.
Alright, what's
Happy wife,
next?
happy life.
Sarah? What is that?
Alright, let's
The
go
30
fast.
cent 50 notes.
So what is that?
That is, if you
He's
had
grading the food. That's what he's into.
That is
Hurry before Sarah starts crying.
No, Tyler said he didn't say the thing, so I can't. I have to let him write too. I want a happy life.
A million plus.
Alright, we have cookies here.
Cookies is A minus.
Oh, we have a... So why are you in the middle of the way?
Because I'm saving your head from slapping it with the draw Tyler pull out. Then you'd get mad. So say thanks, honey.
Doctor say my pressure is high. I should tell him why. I should tell him why. Ah! Don't do that. Don't do that.
Come on. Oh.
Zen, that's what I should do. Yoga.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tyler, what's grade? What's this? Correct.
A1
A plus. See, Sarah, come back. Cereal bar for Tyler. Cereal bar for me. Snack for Ty. And some
We have some fish.
Okay, Sarah is back.
Some white fish. This is the frozen section.
The almonds because the almonds this are be normal.
See, Sarah,
Guys, this is one of the
Tyler
only
glasses.
cheese that she can eat. Cheddar. You call cheddar in English?
Only cheese who can eat me?
You, cheddar.
No, it's the only non-stinky cheese.
Cheddar. Sausage. Oh, that's for me. Don't get chips. That's for me.
Because they're
Nesquik.
taking forever, so we have to move on.
What?
The video cannot be forever.
What kind of fish is that, Tyler?
Salmon and this salmon
Right, I
is
took-
a minus.
I took 2 this time. You know why? Because I wanted peace.
Sarah put on Tyler glasses and walking around in the house drinking water.
So you took
Poulet,
poulet and turkey.
oui,
Okay, your mission.
yogurt. I'm always on some mission. More yogurt. Mmm, what's this?
Hey guys, this is
Stop.
this is vacation times, guys. We have to try to find something. We have to feed the kids for the lunch.
A billion plus.
You guys, I told you yesterday that my blender stopped working. It broke. And Sarah gonna break somebody's glasses. Somebody test glasses and they can't see.
Thank you.
My blender broke. It didn't just stop work, it broke. But the motor is good and everything, but I can't do anything with just the motor. So I got myself a new one.
Papa, good job because we see you
Sarah,
buy
you want
the
yogurt?
nuggets.
What's the
That's mama hair.
Sarah,
So how you do that? You need to condition them into shampoo?
yeah, condition and shampoo them before I give them to eat.
Okay.
Papa,
Sarah, no.
This one, big brown one.
No, this one first.
We have chicken.
Chicken breast.
So who packed the bag? I can feel it's you. It crush. It crush.
Hurry up Come to the hall and leave me alone in Jesus' name.
We have apple
Like I don't
juice.
see him.
Apple juice. We have another tree. We have ginger.
Her mouth butter in her. You want to break it? Look at her. Why you want to break it?
We have
B
lemon,
minus.
ginger. So why you put D minus for the test? We have chicken.
Yes,
Chicken
it's
is.
sour.
Chicken is a staple in this house. It's a must.
So why the chicken bust is crushed?
B minus.
So why you put B minus? Because it's healthy or because it's not good?
It's because it's not good health.
Don't touch
No,
that.
it's because.
Give me this one.
What about the garbage
So
bag?
everything crushed, so.
Because you pack them at the bottom.
Kira.
You see how she is? She put the them on everybody.
Supposed to be falling on the floor. Why is it just now?
You put the blame on everybody.
No, I put it on you, not everybody. You.
Garbage bag so we can put it.
Garbage bucket.
So we can put Papa in
Put
it.
you in it. I wanted to say it so bad.
I know that's what he was gonna say. So I said before it. I knew that's what he was gonna say. Oh, let me take what I put here in that heat.
Eggs. Woo.
Alright, Tyler, stop.
Tyler, look what you got. You got this for you.
Frit.
Fries.
You guys, you know what I want? You guys, you know what I want to buy? I want to buy an air fryer. Somebody who is watching right now that have air fryer, though I've done my research, tell me how is it and how you like it.
What is hair fryer?
It's a fryer that fries things without oil. So it's healthier.
Tell me it's not good.
No, don't worry, I'll fry yours in the oil fryer. I'll just fry mine in the air fryer. That's cool with me.
What is that?
Celery.
No, it's tree. It's trees, Mama. Here, Mama.
Let's see the other bag that she packed if it crushed.
Banana. You see, my banana don't crush though when I mean pack the bag. Leave it. You get hurt. Juice.
We have juice, we have
Cucumbers.
raspa.
Sweet pepper.
Ooh, me tired.
Oily.
Mini tea.
A C minus.
More juice. But Tyler.
Plus.
Corned beef.
Corned beef. We love corned beef in this house. We love corned beef and what?
And rice.
Beef and rice and cabbage. Yeah, more juice.
So which
Our
one you
juice
took?
finish. Our water finish. Hold on. Hold it, Sarah.
We have cereals for her.
Papa. Here.
We have grape juice. We love grape juice.
No, not we. Now
We, Tyler and I together, that makes we.
you make it so like it's everybody.
Tyler and I together makes
You make
we.
it so like it's everybody.
We have how you call that?
Pumpkin,
Pumpkin.
squash,
We have salt, special salt. What kind of salt is
hemp
that?
salt, natural salt.
We have mayonnaise,
Pink salt.
Hold on, Tyler, it's gonna fall on your
That's
head.
the salt that I wanted to get to.
We have
you.
zucchini. Hold on, Tyler, I said.
He's stacking you up.
Yes, I stuck him up.
And avocado, we have garbage bag. This one is for Tyler.
Oh, you took two?
No, it's for
And we have pineapple juice.
Mama. What's it?
That's
Garbage
it?
bag for
You
Papa.
can go make my dinner now.
No, your lunch. Babe say you want Sunday, Monday for lunch. You want oxtail or rice. So, I'm gonna go get him his lunch so he can
Mama.
stop be grumpy like myself.
And Tyler, did you
That's
like
it for
your
the
swimming
supermarket
lesson?
haul, you guys. Tyler got back from swimming lesson and he wasn't a fan. Tell us why you didn't like swimming lesson.
Just too much thing where I need to put my head on the dirty water.
And it's a new place he went because of the pandemic. They send him to a different swimming pool, an outdoor swimming pool because all the indoor swimming pools are closed. So he says he wasn't a fan, but I have to encourage him that look, it's just a few more days and he'll finish. So are you going to make a sandwich?
Yes.
But you need 2 bread. Look at him about to make it. I see him opening the bread. I was wondering what's he doing. make it?
I'm going to just take what I want in there and when...
Tell me what you're gonna do first. You take the bread.
Yes.
And then
I...
look at him closing back the bread bag on him own. Tell me what you're gonna do. How you're gonna make the sandwich? You saw Mama do it?
No, it's just that I'm thinking how to make a sandwich.
Okay, so tell me what you're gonna do.
After this, I'm going to ask you to take the ham and the cheese.
Okay, so what you're gonna put on the bread first?
Mayonnaise.
You're gonna put the mayonnaise and then you're gonna put what?
The ham, then the cheese,
Very good.
then against the
Let me help you do
mayonnaise.
this, cause okay, look at this. When you're closing the bag, you do this first. Look, you twist it like this first.
Yes.
Sarah, oh, that mercy. Twist it like this. Hold on tight. I'm gonna teach you to make the sandwich properly.
It's my first cooking by myself.
Tyler says he wants to learn how to make a sandwich. Okay, so first thing first, you need to check the mayonnaise. See, it's new, so you need to open it first. Okay? Alright, you close it back. Okay, now you need to open the mayonnaise. Throw the mayonnaise on it. You turn the bottle like that and squeeze the bottle. Okay, stop. That's enough. That's enough. Use the knife and spread the mayonnaise all over the bread. Don't be afraid to spread it all over the bread, everywhere. Cover the bread just like if you're coloring. Okay, that one is covered. Now you need to put mayo on the next bread. So you just push this out of your way, squeeze mayonnaise on it just like you did the first one. That's not enough. Put down the knife right here. Get the bottle. Squeeze mayo. Right, that's a good way of holding it. Not too much. Take your time.
Tell me when to stop.
No, you need to know when to stop. Squeeze. That's good. Very good. See, you know exactly when to stop. Do the same thing now. That's it. That's it. Now you need what you're gonna put. Where's the cheese?
Ham. I'm going to put...
Okay, you say you're gonna put your cheese first?
Yes.
Okay, you know to open the cheese? Right, you hold that and pull it. Pull, pull. Right. Okay, take it off now. Very good. Now put the cheese down on the bread. Now you want your ham.
Yes.
Take one out. You can either cut it or tear it, or you can just put it on it that big. If you want it to be small pieces, you can just tear it and put it on it all over it.
Okay.
You can do that. Right. I need a grilled cheese machine. I think Tella would love grilled cheese. Can you imagine this now when a grilled cheese machine? It would taste so good. Tella, just put that down on it now. You don't have to break it anymore. Just put it down on it. Now cover your sandwich. And voila! You're gonna cut it?
Yes.
You want to cut it?
Yes.
Okay.
We don't put it in the microwave.
No, you eat it like that. We don't have no machine. You can't go in the microwave. Okay, you're gonna cut it by yourself?
Yes.
Okay. No, don't use the fork. Just put your hand right here. Right, and cut it now. Just press it. No, put back your hand here. Press strong. Cut it now like this. Right. Ta-da! Good job. You don't need to cut it again. Alright, congratulations on making your first sandwich.
Yes. And the next time, I'm going to make another food.
Okay. All by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, go. Go and eat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good job, princess. A, B, C, D, E,
Sorry, I
F,
found some
G.
more. I found the S.
S. You just sure S?
No, it's
Oh, it's
X.
X.
Yes.
She said X.
Not it's the X.
Oh.
Instead of saying X.
No, she said X.
Oh, yes, tell you.
Look, X.
Yes.
X.
Because this didn't hear properly.
What is that one, Sarah?
What's this?
Wow,
Yay!
right. Good job, princess. Good girl. K.
X.
X. Good job.
Just it.
That one.
Sarah, what's this one? W.
W. Good job. Sarah, what's that one?
That's my name. T.
T.
Yay!
Good job.
What's this one? Yay!
Yay! Tyler is searching for letters over there, showing her. F. Good
Yay!
job, princess. F.
We're back to the big one. What's this one?
She turned it around and telling you it's H, because it looked like H when you turn it around. She's too funny. It's I. I.
Yay!
I. He have this robe since forever and he doesn't want to give it up.
I'm trying to make Sarah go.
She gone.
Mama, she's trying to make it Sarah on the quarter by 5.
Okay. Sarah probably wondered, what in God's name are you doing? Carla, take time. All right, go put on your pajama. Sarah is going to bed. Come, stand up and tell Faves night night. You're going to bed, you and your sister.
Night, Cubby. Sarah is a Cubby.
Sarah, tell her, let her go. Sarah, look, go to your room. Now, Sarah said night night. Come here. Sarah, come here. Go to your room. Look here. Say bye bye. Look at Faves. Say bye bye. Where you going? It's time for bed. Say bye bye. Come here.